Okay, this is gonna be my log for September 10, 2025, Wednesday. So this is where everything went kind of wrong. I'm covering my face because I don't have anything and my allergies are really acting up so bad. But anyways, September 10, Wednesday. I was feeling really down as far as I remember. I didn't really do anything the whole day. I'm pretty sure I was just at home. Yeah, I was just at home with Goton. Tapos I was trying to study the whole time. I don't remember if I went for a jog or for a walk, but I probably did. I just don't remember anything really. And then yeah, as I don't remember anything, the only thing I remember is that this Wednesday, diba? So we have a prayer night at church every like 7:30. I don't know, the Holy Spirit has been like actually like, I don't know, telling me like, oh, you should go prayer meeting starting from now, or like you should try to go prayer meeting tonight, ganan. I have been wanting to go ever since like what? Like sobrang dati pa. I was just, I don't know, scared. Well, not really, but I don't know. I was thinking that maybe I don't have that much time then, like thinking from the past few weeks. Pero like sobrang tagal ko na gusto pumunta ng prayer meeting even before nung si Julius pa. But anyways, so the Holy Spirit, Jesus, God, ikaw ba yun? has been telling me to go. So after, di ba, nagpunta kami ng cleaning, like, as in, hindi ako nag-ayos ng damit. Like, hindi naman sobrang pangit ng damit ko nun. I was just wearing my joggers naman. At least meron akong jacket nun. And my allergy wasn't that bad that day, I think. I was wearing all blue. That's all I remember. Tapos, after nung cleaning namin, I told mom and dad, and I was like, punta ba ko ng prayer meeting? Sabi ko gano'n. Tapos, nung una, like, sabi ko, gusto kong pumunta ng prayer meeting. Pero, nung like, after, like, a little bit later, biglang sabi ko na, punta ba ko ng prayer meeting? Gumagano'n ako. Tapos nung hinatid na, di ba, after, natapos na, tapos hinatid na namin si Julius kasi lagi yung pumupunta. Tapos sinasabi ko kay mama na, punta ba ako? Sabi nila mama na, pumunta ka na, Shane. So bumaba ako. Tapos pumunta ako doon. Like, wala akong idea pa anong ginagawa nila doon, di ba? Like, I know nagpa-pray sila, pero, yun nga, pumunta ako doon. Tapos they were already in the circle. Kumakanta sila. Kumakanta sila. Wala masyadong, as in, konti lang ng tao. And the only youth there was Ate Hannah, Kreslin, Kuya Johnny, and Kuya Josh, and Lian. It was just them. So I was like, oh, okay. Tapos, meron pang mga tito nakaupo sa likod. So doon ako umupo sa tabi nila. Oh my gosh, I don't want to read part 2. Doon ako umupo sa tabi nila. Tapos biglang, like, siguro medyo maaga kami nakarating doon, diba? Nabutan pa namin yung praise and worship nila. Tapos, after lang nun, nagsishare lang sila. Tapos, around 8, doon dumating si Layani. Oh, it was already there. Hindi ko lang siya nakita pala kanina. And then, dumating si Layani, si Carlos, si Froy, and si Alex around 8. Hindi na ako namamansin nun. As in, pagdating ko, nakaupo lang ako, naka-straight yung likod ko, nakaupo lang ako, nakikinig, nakatitig sa mga nagasalita. Tapos biglang, tinatawanan ko yung katabi ko yung papa ni Carlo, nakikipagkwentuhan siya sa akin. Like, dito. As in, kami, like, sila lang yung kinakasap ko, tapos nakatingin lang ako dun sa mga nagasalita sa mga tito. Umupo si Yani sa tabi ko after nun. I mean, pagdating nila. Tapos, nung una, niyakap niya, kaya ito siya, sabi ka, Gumano lang ako, like, hindi ko siya as in, like, in-acknowledge ko na, I know na nandyan siya. Pero hindi ako yung nakapagkwentuhan. Tapos, pag may nagjo-joke or like, magtatanong sila, gano'n, tapos ano yun niya ako, like, parang tatanungin niya din ako gano'n, or like, basta parang ini-include niya naman ako na, Ate Shane, oo nga, tapos, hindi ko siya, kung natatawagan niya ako, hindi ko siya like titignan. Kasi nakikipagkantuan ako sa papa ni Carlo. Tapos like, ayoko rin silang as in pansinin that time. So like, feeling ko naramdaman niya na, bigla niya na yun naramdaman. Tapos after nung edi, tahimik na ako the whole time na, kasi nag-start na yung message. Tapos biglang, nung pinapamigay nila yung prayer requests, biglang, nakahiwalay pala yung youth sa mga nagpe-pray. Nakahiwalay sila sa parents na magpe-pray. So, nung pagkabigay, biglang sabi nila na, guys, tara doon tayo sa room. So, pumunta kami doon sa room. Nandun lang ako sa sulok, nakaupo, like, as in, nakaganto lang, ang serious, sobrang serious ng face ko. Tapos, biglang may magjo-joke sa kanila, tatawa sila, sabi ko na lang, as in, bro, I kinda feel bad. And yun nga, may nagjo-joke, tatawa sila, tapos ako as in nakatitig lang, tapos biglang, nung nag-start na kami mag-pray, I think I was the last one na matapos mag-pray, because, kasi, you can feel it, na like, tapos na sila, like, maririnig mo, na may nagkakalas-kas, tapos may nagbubulungan, at gano'n. Tapos nung gumanon na ako, doon na sila nag-start na mag-talk ng malakas, so, na-figure ko na, maybe I was the last one to, like, finish praying. Tapos, after namin nun, like, kasi tumabis na sa akin si Ate Hannah even before we started praying. Kasi feeling ko nararamdaman niya din na, something's wrong with Shane. Kasi, as hindi ako nagkasalita, hindi ako like, hi guys. As in, yung usual ko na palatawa, ganon. As in, hindi ako ganon. Tapos, after ng prayer, biglang nagtanong sa Ate Hannah, nagtanong sa Ate Hannah na, Shane, are you okay? Ako kang yes, ate. Tapos, they started planning na for yung Filipino market something sa performance namin where we got invited. They started talking about that. Tapos nung una, like, diba after ng praying, tapos lumabas silang lahat, like yung mga umihi sila, yan, ganun. Tapos biglang doon ako tinanong Ate Hannah na, Shane, are you okay? Biglang, yes, ate. Tapos biglang lumapit din si Carlo na like, parang, napansin niya na rin na, okay ka lang ba? Parang hindi ka okay, gumagano siya. Sabi ko, okay lang. As in, hindi ko sila kinakausap. Hindi ko sasagot lang ako pag tinanong nila. I need to go!